This is how we use the Sharp microwave. Please make sure the microwave is plugged and the wall socket is on. You can access the door by opening or clicking this button here. You insert the food inside, you close the door, and to access the microwave quickly you can press this button here which says 1 minute and it will start automatically. If you want to increase, you can again press and it will increase every time by 1 minute. To stop, you click on stop and then click here again and you can access the food.